you got the cream of me black cocky.
Say it's vlog day.
Walk day.
We're gonna swim
And splash.
and splash.
Yeah.
And build a
sandcastle.
Wow.
Look at Papi.
Mommy turn on my air. That's mommy. Go, baby. Pookie, the dog's not gonna hurt you. It's okay. He got you. No, he ain't got you. It's okay. Give daddy a model walk. Walk. Model walk. What's that, Tay? The model walk? Hey, 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 hey.
Right as I know people, me used to my car seat. And to a rental and on my car seat in there. Me just a fuss don't play.
Tay, come on, be good girl. We're going to the beach. Let's go real quick, baby. Real quick, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
This is a big dick.
Hey, that shit big as hell. Wow, you looking fabulous, Tay. You looking like a model, baby. Smile for me. Cheese.
Your cameras, please.
Alright, so with the power we are going to the beach now. You see scenery? Nice down in Florida, yeah. And then me hungry now and this man outside cheer me up. Me hungry, me want chicken or fries.
Chicken fries. Where is it? It's up there. Okay, we gonna get chicken and fries, okay?
Is this chicken and fries?
No.
Where is it? Let's move.
Fries.
This is right.
This is chicken fries.
Okay. She said this is chicken and fries.
And that juice.
And juice?
So with the right eye Chick-fil-A, I see this man a pass a drive through a spin round. So me I wonder go on, they can't leave my chicken and fry.
Daddy, no, we're chicken fries.
We're not leaving. See, we here. We're not leaving. We're not leaving. See, we here. See?
So we there for odd I know and my parents the much I get me for change with me like. Me like when me.
Cookie, you want soup?
No.
Okay. You want dumpling? You want rice? What do you want?
Chicken fries.
Yo.
Then better know say if they not out of my chicken and fries, this a beat shit done. You know good again.
Tajae.
What can I do for you?
Let me get a 12-piece nuggets, fruit punch with fries.
Bella, wait, fries. Huh? You hungry?
Do you want the baby brother? You want baby brother?
Yeah!
Pookie coaster. Where's the Pookie? You want the baby brother?
Baby brother? I have no baby brother.
You don't right now. Do you want one?
No.
So
No.
she don't know.
Oh people, this a chicken and fries come out hot like how Donya Donga Florida. Hot. You can't fry egg pan a road and sing thing down ya. So daddy called it for me as a princess.
Going to the beach now. Ready for the beach? Ready for the beach?
When I know why when this man see me I stuff my face in my ask me question. Can't talk no, Mr. Man. I can't talk. We are stop for face.
Everybody done it. And you there say it like say you're demure. You're not demure when you're eating. You're not. Near my food, tough in your jaw corner and you see the type of person you are. Tete, ready for the beach?
The baby's hot.
Baby hot.
Now make sure say that it cover my sister. And make sure say the heat now on her pretty skin is a good big sister.
Always the last. Come on with that car. Bruh. So mommy, hurry up.
Mommy, hurry up.
We ready to go to the beach.
I have to go to the beach.
So we reached down at the pier. Well, we go to the beach, but before we go on the beach, we have to go find one little store and get one little bath suit for baby Dede. Now this is us walking into the store. And when me walk in at the store and look round, me get to find out say this is baby haven. Look at all these baby stuff. And me get to find out say oh, I know Dede alone things enough so me start shop same time. Me start look round for things that catch my eyes. Like look upon them little cute, squishy something here. Look upon them nice carrier. But that you no see me with handbag, I know me I spend massa on my daddy. And then mommy over here so I look upon this mermaid bathsuit for Dede. And me over here so I shop down in place.
Fix your glasses, man.
My glass lean by my face, but me look here. Once me can see the thing that my mash up fine. That little game something yeah. Yeah, that little game something that look cute. And that was going Panama, let me see. Let me see how it work. Now daddy and me over here, so I shop for they same way. So they said them I try get sunproof. I go daddy I want a big ugly hat there. Mommy too. So them I get one for day. Look pon the baby little head. Which part pon her head this a hat ya go fit people tell me. Look pon the little baby head swallow up in her hat. She is so cute though guys. My little sister is so cute. While them at that me over here so I shop some more. Kupala little robot something ya. And them little something ya. And them little soap. It's just so much stuff guys. Daddy also gets some shots to wear on the beach. Mommy get a bathsuit. And then we power we you know.
Yo, hurry up, man. Wanna always there back?
No, I'm telling you why, mommy always there back for you. We always there back because if we walk too fast, we get to see the store them where we get to spend your money. Yes. Time to go on the beach now. And one thing me and my mother are gonna do. Left daddy fi figure it out panny on.
Me have to lift up this in a paper. We was not prepared for this beach shit, man. We was not prepared. When you man a work a shade like that, something there. Eh? No shade. No shade. Everything say beach nice and cool, the hot out there like. Oh. They have a little cover still. And the next thing we will never do, we don't can no water. I hope they have a little juice stand when I see up there. So I juice stand. You can't push people. One dog that behind. Can't push it. We have to pull it. I try to reach and die like a shade up there. How more your buns them just out the door, so babes. Now I see why so much dog up on the beach. See side there. The rock side of the come daily. I mean I own the dog out. Big dog. Woof.
Boy, big dog, this is stand away the hope for be juice and a water stand. Yes, out. Cause I excursion on here, something that I'm deal with other people. Thank God you know as hot and there so.
Cool out there so still.
Wanna see as me reach, me start build my sandcastle.
Bookie, what you doing, baby?
Boy, this is sandcastle and now whole of people. You look like we have to go closer to the beach and find out.
So you're saying I look a shade with the people, it's cool and all nice. What you doing, mama? Sandcastle. You gotta do it closer to the water, baby. Closer to the water. Maybe they just woke up. Uh-oh. He's an angry. Hey, mama. How the cheering tell them go?
It's usually 50 a day. We're closing right now.
Oh, y'all closing? Damn. Like just a minute out there, so a while ago, it hot like hell. I know me, I want to die for too cold right there, so I'm that shit. Today, there. It's blowing nice and cool under there, so. So them people that they gonna test the water. It's cool. Go on in there now, man. Go dip in there, let me see. Go dip in there. Now, so that look cool for take there, man. How are?
You rate me, you know.
How are?
You know, rate me. Who can get?
Oh. Oh, shit. Why you lifting? Why you lifting? Why, bro?
I look crazy out here. I can't. Bro, look at me. Let me have a 5-8 right now.
See, I got the beach, brother, beach. What? Nobody has seen a beach on the beach. Not everybody is mind their business.
But I don't care.
And you lift it up more. It look like you did a lift and you lift it.
It was sliding back. You know, see line right there, so.
Oh my God. And tomorrow we are going here. Just cooling. Cooling. Cooling, huh?
People tell me, you know, me find one comfortable spot. My father asked me if me no want go further.
You say you don't want to come further?
Sir, come further where? You better go look a bit further for me and I hear how much shot you further. Attack people.
They didn't like it. Okay. Two different kids, man. They didn't like your water. Cook your best sauce. Run out that water. So my solution. What the fuck?
Yeah. A lot of fun, right? A lot of fun. Yeah. Lots of fun. Come on, Daddy? No!
You're having it, man.
Guys, really, they are fight for my life. They have fight for my life. I tell them, man, if them bring me what I sure bring me back. Come on, I want to shot them, get me.
Cookie, you don't like it?
Yeah, it fit me.
What?
The water fit me into it.
Where's the water though?
It's too big.
Some of they are back to building my sandcastle and thing. But that sand I don't have Florida now, sand people. When we did there Jamaica, where there it was sandy, and I could build a real sandcastle. This one, it not work out. This too sunny. It's sand too sunny. It feel like real sand.
I thought if you get a shark in the water, you have to come back.
People want to go to that deep part of water. But I'm afraid I shark them when they say down here in Florida. Cookie not going back, Daddy. Where you running to? Why are you running? And I run from the dog now, watch that. Daddy not gonna hurt you, look. Say hi, vlog.
Hello.
What's up?
What's up?
Having fun at the beach.
You have fun at the beach.
What you building? Building sandcastle? Come. Where you running to? I caught you. I caught you.
No people, this man tricked me, you know. He really and truly tricked me, cause when me realize me out to sea, it too late.
The water's nice. The water's nice. You too scaredy, man. Live a little. Look, you and Daddy. Daddy, you safe with Daddy. You know? You safe with Daddy. Say bye, Mommy. You safe with Daddy. You safe with Daddy. Come, dip with Daddy. You want to build sandcastle? Okay, let's dip one time and then go build sandcastle, okay? Okay.
Okay, so you dip one time. No, take me back, Daddy. We dip one time where you say take me back. No, not a second longer.
One more time?
See, this right here, overdoing it. Now me have trust issues, Daddy. We have to
We
say,
all out here. We all out here. Come. It's okay, look.
At this hour, she's sleeping. It's not possible. They just chill. She's a chill baby. On the other hand, you have the chaotic one over here, so. Real chaotic. Ladies just enjoying.
then when we left the beach, you went to the little arcade, guys. It was so fun. Then we play some car racing, you know, guys. Mommy did help me first, but then me learn. I mean, I would pick like Need for Speed, catch me. Check me out, people, whipping it.
Yeah, you got it.
What you looking at, Dede?
Then me and Daddy I play this two-player shooter. But me a top shooter for Daddy. So me a kill off a whole like alien them. Daddy can't hold me.
Yeah, Pookie. Hey, Pookie, I'm going to give another day and I'm playing like Pookie.
It a get late now, guys. A day bedtime. And I'm my bedtime too, you know. My bedtime too. But me, they are...
Daddy's back. Daddy's back.
Mommy him a tell daddy if it top shoot and a pay miss she a miss. She no bought that life, people. And me alone can play this and kill off a whole of them with no help, you know. See, daddy still a fear chip in and a help her out. Every miss you see come up on the screen, people, and mommy a miss. She no wanna help people, but me a beg little help. I end I video, and me a beg gonna get with to 10,000 subscriber. And I could get about 2,000 likes, man, that one, please. 2,000 too much? I don't think so. Yes, guys, thanks for watching. I'm tuning in for your next vlog next time, isn't me? Yeah, man. Bye.